Every year we use the same method to set up the goal for our business, and when we fail, we use the same method the next year to set up the goal, and we are not sure whether we're going to reach the goal. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and achieve your goals like clockwork every single month and every single year. Hi, my name is Raghu Reddy. I'm a financial advisor's MDRT, COT, TOT expert, high performance coach and consultant. I specialize in helping financial advisors to implement predictable systems inside their business that allow them to effortlessly sign on 15, 20, even 30 or more high quality clients like clockwork every single month and reach MDRT, COT or TOT fast with minimal work and time investment. I also specialize in helping unit managers and branch managers to consistently recruit 15, 20 or more high caliber individuals every single month and create successful high performance financial advisors by implementing predictable systems. And before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. And here is a simple fact. 92% of advisors don't achieve their goals. So in this video, I'm going to show you the Poka-yoke method. This is the Japanese term for mistake proofing. It's a process that helps us to avoid mistakes by preventing, correcting, and drawing attention to human errors as they occur. So whenever we set up the yearly goal, like the outcome here is the goal to achieve, say in this example, I'm going to take 120K in 12 months. So the most important step is to break down the outcome, that's the goal, into monthly targets. So in this case, the monthly target would be 10K every single month. Now, once we break down the goals into monthly goals, monthly targets, we calculate how many clients we need to sign on every single month. So for that, what we do is we take the monthly target, that's 10K, and divide it by the average earning per client. And if you've been in the business for some time now, you know your average that you're earning for every client that you sign on. So you could use that average. And if you do not have any indication of what your average is, you could ask your managers or you could ask your other financial advisors what the average earning per client is. And you could use that as a benchmark. So divide the monthly target by average earning per client, and that way you'll be able to calculate how many clients we need to sign on every single month to reach our monthly target. So now what we do in the next step is to re-engineer the monthly target backwards. So what does that mean? So what we do is to reach a monthly target of 10K, the number of clients we must sign on is 20. Like if the average is $500 per client, so here assume that the average per client earning is going to be $500. So if it's $500 per client, then we need 20 clients to be signed on every single month. So in order to get 20 clients every single month, so we must have an X number of appointments. So in this case, if the worst case closing that we're going to take as 50% closure, that means we are going to close the sales at 50%. So if we have 10 appointments, I'm assuming that we can close 5 appointments. So taking that figure in mind, keeping that figure in mind, if we need 20 clients to be signed on in every single month, we need to have 40 appointments every single month. So in order to have 40 appointments every single month, so every single week we need to have 10 appointments, but here in this case I have buffered it by another 4 appointments. So every single week we must have 14 appointments, which means every single day we must have 2 appointments. We must fix 2 appointments every single day. So in order to get 2 appointments, now there are many activities that we can do, especially when we go on social media to get those 2 appointments. Now, in this example, I'm just going to take a simple example, like maybe you're going to make some calls, like you're going to make 20 calls every single day to get those 2 appointments. So when we go online, getting 2 appointments every single day, it's not a problem at all, because there are many leads that we can generate online. But in this example, Like, let's take the simple example of making calls. Okay, so if we make 20 calls, we can get 2 appointments. Now that's the assumption I'm going to make here. Just imagine that you're going to make 20 calls and we can have 2 appointments every single day. Now, in spite of re-engineering our monthly targets backwards and finding out how many calls we need to make and how many appointments we need to fix every single day, we can still fail to achieve our monthly target. And the reason is because if we don't make the 20 calls and if we don't have 2 appointments, that's the most important. So the most important objective here is to have those 2 appointments every single day. As long as we fix 2 appointments every single day, we will have 14 appointments every single week. And if we have 14 appointments every single week, then we have 40 appointments every single month. And of that 40 appointments, even if it's a worse closing rate that we have, worse case closing, at 50%, let's consider 50% case closing, we will be able to sign on 20 clients every single month. But in spite of re-engineering backwards our monthly targets, you could still fail. And the reason is because if we don't make the 20 calls and if we don't get those 2 appointments every single day, we are not going to achieve our monthly goals. But the best part of this process is it gives us an opportunity to track every single day and take corrective action to make sure that we get every single day those 2 appointments. So in order to make sure that we're going to make those 20 calls and make sure that we achieve our objective of getting 2 appointments every single day, so what we do in this process is we structure our calendar with the task to complete every single day. So we identify the task. In this case, it's the number of calls that we're going to make. But as we go online, there could be 4 or 5 activities, tasks that we must complete every single day. So we block the time on our calendar and make sure that every single day we carry out the task. And as long as we carry out the task and fix the 2 appointments every single day, then reaching our monthly goals is inevitable. And the next step, what we do in this process is we track our target every single month and we track the actual what we have achieved every single month. So when we track every single day, every single week, and every single month, it gives us an opportunity for us to take corrective action and brings our focus to where we need to really concentrate so that we can make sure that every single day we have those 2 appointments, and by that we can ensure that we can achieve our targets every single month. And if we achieve our targets every single month, then reaching our goals every single year is inevitable. So the key here is to break down the big chunk, the big goal, the outcome that we want to achieve into smaller chunks, into monthly targets, and then re-engineer back as to how many clients we need to sign on every single month and what are the activities that we need to do to have that many X number of appointments. So in order to accomplish those activities every single day, we structure our calendar and block the time and get the work done. So as long as we're able to get those X number of appointments every single day, then reaching our monthly targets is like clockwork, and reaching our yearly goals, our outcome, is inevitable. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and we will answer it and help you out. And if you have enjoyed watching this video, like it, share it, and subscribe to this channel and tell all the people about this, and I will talk to you in the next video. By the way, if you are a financial planner, consultant, or advisor, and you're interested in finding easier, quicker, and better ways to do prospecting and fixing appointments, and find out what other top achievers are doing to grow quickly, be sure to join our Facebook group and community, and also connect with us on social media. Just click the link below to join now.